Hey, what's up, future CNAs? Yes, Nurse Jar here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new visiting my channel, subscribe. But listen, guys, in today's short, I'm going to show you two ways how you can remove and replace the linen protector, whether you're using a waterproof pad, a chux pad, or a towel. So let's get to it. All right, the first method is turning the resident onto its side. Now remember, Prometric does not emphasize the use of the side rails. So before you turn that person, you must move the mannequin closer to your side of the bed. So when you do turn them, they're not dangerously close to the edge of the bed. The second method, which to me is the most convenient and time-saving method, is raising the resident's hips to remove and replace.